Ever wonder why financial stress seems to be a constant companion? Why does the mere thought of bills, debts, and savings make the heart race? It's time to unravel this mystery and find ways to improve your financial health and reduce stress. Let's start with the basics: setting a budget and tracking your spending. It's easy to spend money without realizing where it's going. But having a budget and tracking your expenses can give you a clear picture of your financial habits. It's like a mirror reflecting your expenditure patterns. And don't worry if you uncover some unpleasant truths. Remember, knowledge is power. With this newfound power, you can make changes that will positively impact your financial health. Next, give yourself a financial safety net. Living from paycheck to paycheck can be a stressful existence. It leaves you vulnerable to unexpected expenses. But having an emergency fund can act as a buffer, a safety net that catches you when you fall. So start small and gradually build up your emergency fund. It's like a comfortable pillow that eases your financial worries and helps you sleep better at night. Dealing with debt? Create a debt repayment plan. It's like setting a course on a map. It gives you a clear direction and helps you track your progress. And if it feels like you're stuck in a debt maze, use a debt payoff calculator. It can help you figure out the best strategy to free yourself from the shackles of debt and reduce your financial stress. Are you concerned about not saving or investing enough? Here's a tip: set up automatic contributions. It's a foolproof way to ensure that you're regularly saving and investing. It's like having a personal finance assistant who diligently puts aside money for you. And the best part? It helps you resist the temptation to splurge on unnecessary luxuries. If you still find it hard to make ends meet, consider adding an additional source of income. It could be a second job or a side gig. It's like having an extra pair of hands helping you to achieve your financial goals. And finally, if you're feeling overwhelmed, seek help from a financial advisor. They are like seasoned navigators who can guide you through the stormy seas of financial stress. They can help you devise a plan that suits your income and addresses your financial worries. To summarize, improving your finances and reducing stress involves setting a budget, creating a financial buffer, making a debt repayment plan, setting up automatic contributions, considering an additional source of income, and seeking help from a financial advisor. Remember, you have the power to change your financial situation and reduce stress. So take control, make changes, and watch your financial health improve.